How to fix app not installed on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can fix app not installed on an Android phone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you actually have your Android phone with you and then you're trying to maybe download an APK file from somewhere and then you get the issue called app not installed. This happens when you're actually installing .apk files. So .apk files are simply the external sources files that is downloaded from somewhere, from Google or elsewhere, and not from your Play Store. And in most of the cases, the security of your device is actually going to block that. But before we get to that, let's say you're downloading an APK of HBO Max, right? But if there's already another version of HBO Max installed on a phone, the one that you're going to be installing right now will not get installed. So that could be one of the reasons. Just make sure that there isn't another copy of the application in your Android device or your Android smartphone. Now, if that doesn't help, there's a specific setting that we need to customize, and for that we have to just open up settings. Once you open the settings app, we want to go to the option called apps, which you see, and once you tap on apps, tap on the three dot icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the three dot icon, go to special access. So once you go to special access, over here you'll find the option called install unknown apps. In your case, it could be written something as allow installation from unknown sources or something like that. Depending upon the update and the phone that you're using, just look for similar options such as this. And then over here you simply want to make sure to allow. So if you're actually installing from your file manager, right, you want to make sure to turn on your file manager, because if you are opening it within the file manager app and clicking on that app, you want to make sure the file manager to have that access. If you're installing from Google Chrome, you want to make sure to turn on next to Google Chrome. Now you can just try to open up the specific file and just tap on the hit button. Now tap on install and the application should be installed without any issue. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.